If you're hesitant what to make for dinner or you don't have any idea, well, you know what? You gotta make this lamb. It only takes 20 minutes to make it, and it's the most delicious thing you can ever make. So, let's start with the ingredients. You will need the prime rib seasoning and pesto sauce, and of course, the lamb. This combo, I tried it and it works really well. First off, I have chopped my lamb into small like pieces, and I know some people they don't like doing that, but I tried it, guys, and it works really good. If you have any other idea, you can do it your way. So the concept is still the same. You add your seasoning, prime rib, McCormick, gotta be that McCormick one, and pesto sauce. They have like both together, they work well and adds a really good flavor. You mix everything until everything is covered into the seasoning, and then you preheat your oven to 450 Fahrenheit. Then you place everything into a pan and then let it cook for 20 minutes. So here I have put everything into the pan. I'm gonna send it to the oven, wait for 20 minutes, and then start preparing my rice. So for the rice, I have chopped an onion and put it in a pan, added olive oil, and then I'm gonna add some seasoning, salt, pepper, and then cinnamon. So I'm gonna add also like a pinch of saffron extract. If you guys don't have saffron extract, you can do like saffron itself. I ran out of saffron, so that's why I'm using the saffron extract. But you gotta use for this rice basmati rice. I mean, you can use any rice like non-sticky rice. I like basmati because of the texture, so it's up to you guys. I mean, you gotta let it fry with the onions first and the seasoning. Then we're gonna be covering it with water, almost 2 to 3 cups, and then let it cook for about 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, until it becomes until it dries up, and then the texture, like you can take it and then try it. Texture is kind of like smooth. So here, to add some sweetness to it, I have added some sun-dried raisins. It really adds a really good flavor, guys. I mean, you try and then let me know. I'm pretty much sure most of you guys will love it. And then after that, like you can see, my rice right now is cooked, so I'm just gonna take out like the lump from the oven, and then let me show you guys the final result. Is really awesome. If you guys like the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and then hit like. Thank you so much. Bye bye.